Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a review of a new budget wireless earphones announced by Xiaomi under the Redmi branding. We have the Redmi Sonic Bass wireless earphones with superior sound and pro bass. So this is the new earphones announced with a pretty good pricing as well as pretty good features on offer as well. It has 12 hours of playback. Environment and noise cancellation is there, IPX4 water and splash resistance, and on top of that it is tuned for higher bass. That's what the company claims. Now the name itself is Redmi Sonic Bass wireless earphones. So Xiaomi says that, or rather Redmi says that these are purely tuned for the Indian market, where bass performance is something which people is looking for in even in budget earphones. So these Sonic bass earphones are tuned for higher bass, so that's what the company claims. So let's see if how good the performance of the Sonic bass earphones are from Xiaomi, or rather Redmi. So let's analyze in this video. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started with the detailed review. You can see this is the box package, and you can see here up to 12 hours of playback time, environment noise cancellation, and IPX4 splash and sweat proof. So that's the box package. So inside the box you get the earphones and three ear tips. So basically three pairs, small, medium and large, and medium is the one which comes with the earphones by default. So these are the things available in the box. Now let's talk about the earphones. So these are the Redmi Sonic Bass wireless earphones, and you can see here it's a pretty wireless earphones, the neckband type of earphones. Now you can see that first let's talk about the design. So design wise it's fairly simple and elegant looking one, and it's quite similar to other neckband type of wireless earphones. You can see that the flat panel around the neck. So in terms of the buttons and options, you can see here this is the charging port. So it's you can see here it's micro USB. That's definitely not the best out there. Now you can see that the buttons, so this is the volume up and down key. You can also use this to skip to the next track, press and hold the volume up and down for skipping to the next track. And this is the multi-function button you can use for answering call, disconnecting call, and powering on, powering off. So it's a multi-function button, and you can see that the batteries are also installed here. Now you can also see the microphone, and these are the buttons available. You can also see it looks quite decent. You can also see the Redmi branding. Now these are actually made of plastic. It's not a metal thing. It feels like metal, but it's made of plastic. The build quality is fairly good enough for a budget earphone. It may not be as good as the Oppo and the OnePlus earphones, which are priced around 2K. So these are much cheaper earphones, so you don't get that kind of build quality, but it's quite acceptable. Now you can also see that the cable looks quite okay. It's kind of flexible cable, and here also you can see that it's pretty flexible earphones. Now then you can see that there is a magnetic latch mechanism, and the ear tips are also included at an angle. Now the magnetic latch mechanism is to lock your earphones around the neck, but these are not for stopping the playback, unlike the ones on the Oppo and OnePlus, where the music playback stops the moment you attach them. So these are not for them. The music definitely plays even when you attach, and this does not power off the earphones when you attach. So that functionality is not available. Again, quite acceptable because this is much lesser priced. So now let's talk about the comfort aspect. So we tried these earphones for quite some time, and the comfort factor is quite good. We did not see any sort of issues here. You can actually customize these ear tips. 3 of them are available. You can customize based on how you want the comfort factor, but overall we feel the comfort levels are quite good, and even longer usage will not have any sort of issues. Now the codec inside these are SBC, and you can also get IPX4 rating included. Then you get up to 12 hours of music playback, and also environment and noise cancellation. That's ENC is included. It's not active or passive noise cancellation for music. This is ENC for calls. So when you're taking calls, you get the background noise. So background noise is filtered here. That's the advantage here. And as I said before, IPX4 rating is included. Now talking about the sound clarity, so we used these earphones for calls. So call quality is definitely good. We did not have any issues, and it was quite clear. And these are kind of pretty good earphones in terms of sound quality for calls, and ENC works quite well. You don't have to trigger anything, it automatically works when there is a call, and you can also increase or decrease the volume during the call using these buttons, so that functionality is also included. Now talking about the sound clarity. Now we have been using these for listening to songs. Now we tried with a different kind of music with heavy bass, because what Xiaomi claims that most of the people in the budget segment need higher bass. So when they released the Mi neckband wireless earphones, most of the complaints were that it did not have the sufficient bass. So that's the reason why Redmi Sonic bass wireless earphones are launched, because these are tuned for higher bass. Now we tried listening to multiple songs with a higher bass, with more of vocal. So we have tried all the combinations, and we felt that the sound quality is definitely decent for the price segment. We expect these earphones to be around 1300 or 1400 rupees, or max at the max 1500 rupees. So they are more affordable earphones than the ones we have reviewed previously. So for that price segment, these feel quite okay. And talking about the bass, that's the most important aspect. So Xiaomi claims these are tuned for heavy bass or superior bass performance. You can actually say that from the name itself, Redmi Sonic bass wireless earphone. So now when we tested, we felt that the bass was kind of mixed in our testing. Even though Xiaomi claims these are higher bass, we felt that it did lack a bit of the punchy bass which people would love at this price segment. Yes, the bass is pretty good, but then it was not the kind of bass we actually expected. At least in the budget segment, people are more focused on bass. So that's where these are definitely good. I'm not saying these are not having good bass. These are definitely good, but then that punchy kind of bass is missing, definitely missing here. But if you look at the other Mi wireless earphones, so those these have better bass than the Mi wireless earphones. So in a way, that is good. But overall, we felt that the bass was kind of not up to the mark in the overall quality. So audio quality. So audio quality is definitely good. The vocals are also quite good. Unlike earphones which only focus on bass and nothing else. Here we have Redmi Sonic bass earphones focusing on sound quality as well along with bass. So it's kind of a mixed performance. You would say it's better in terms of bass performance when compared to the say OnePlus True Wireless OnePlus Z. We would have liked a slightly punchier bass, but otherwise it feels quite okay. Now talking about other aspects, as I said before, it has dual mic ENC, which is quite good in handling calls. It also has voice assistant and dual pairing functionality, which means you can connect to two devices at the same time. Then playback time is around 12 hours, and charging time is around 1.5 hours. Now battery life 12 hours is kind of okay. That's at around 50% of the volume. The max volume is also quite okay. We felt it's quite adequate for the budget segment. Now battery life, we can say around 8 to 9 hours is possible with say around 70 to 80% of volume. So around 8 to 9 hours should be possible with that kind of volume. But if you are listening at 50% volume, you might get slightly more, or rather about 10 hours, so it's manageable. The overall battery life is kind of okay at the budget segment, so we don't have much to complain here. Now how good is the Sonic bass earphones at this price segment? We expect these to be priced below the 1500 rupees. Now if something like 1200 or 1300 rupees, these are pretty good actually, a pretty good bass, although we would have liked slightly more punchier bass. Sound quality is definitely good, battery life is quite okay, and it also features ANC with a dual mic, so it is definitely a decent option at this price segment. So that is a detailed review of the Redmi Sonic bass wireless earphones which was launched in India. Hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.